Set up. Nova 6 is all gone. See here? Map of the area. That's gotta be Kravchenko's compound, deep inside Laos.
Kravchenko. He must die.
Okay, Mason. Let's go.
Down there, look!
Bowman sniper rifle. Mason, use a China leg. Blow these fuckers the king would come.
You got it. Sam, in the field! In the field! He's down! Look out! Brace yourself, Mason! Dragovich, Kravchenko.
It's been too long, Mason. We must make up for lost time.
You were captured by Dragovich a second time. Your unit was MIA in Laos, presumed dead. Your handler, Hudson, had no choice but to continue the hunt for Nova 6 without you.
He went to Mount Yamantau, fucking Soviet doomsday bunker.
That's right. A fully operational military complex buried deep in the Ural Mountains.
That's where Hudson was contacted by Friedrich Steiner, the Nazi scientist that developed the initial strain of Nova 6 for Dragovich.
Hudson learned about the numbers there, the broadcasts. I've been there, Mason. I've been to the Yamantau complex.
Oh my God, the numbers are real.
They've always been real, Mason. This isn't a game. We face annihilation unless you cooperate. Where is the broadcast station?